Hi there. 1 minute message about the festivals of the world. When we live in the same community as neighbors, we might as well get to know about their festivities and sorrows. The more we learn about each other, the lesser the conflicts would be. And at the end, all of us can live in harmony and securely. These are the festivals in the month of September and October. As the festival approaches, I'm going to share the essence of each festival. Meanwhile, here are the different festivals, and that is Happy Navaratri coming up soon. Then you got Rosh Hashanah, Jashn Mehergan, that is the Zoroastrian festival, and Mahatma Gandhi's birthday coming up, Dasara coming up, that is the victory of good over the evil, and Yom Kippur, Karwa Chauth, Guru Granth Sahib, that is the birth of the Guru Granth Sahib, and birth of Baha'u'llah, that is the birth of the founder of Baha'i faith, and Jashn Mehergan again, and Diwali. This is a presentation of Center for Pluralism. I hope you share this with your friends.